All right, and welcome back. Today I have a Cat 3-in-1 Jumpstart box. I was at Costco, out of all places, and I was shopping, and I took a little walk down the tool aisle, and I found this cool jump box that has a air compressor and a charger, which is super nice. These are found on Amazon, and they're about $159.90, so about $160 for this unit. At Costco, it was $89.99. And just like with anything at Costco, it has a lifetime warranty. Now, this unit has been reviewed 52 times on Amazon and has a 4-star out of 5-star rating. I always look at ratings because I figure if there's 100 people rating something, that's 100 test dummies. They post their opinion, and I don't have to be a test dummy and buy something I don't like and return it and go through the hassle. So this unit here is going to be extremely handy because this summer I am going to be taking a road trip from Las Vegas, Nevada, all the way to Ann Arbor, Michigan, and I will need this just in case I run into some issues somewhere, flat tire, battery dies, or need to recharge something. This unit says it does those 3 things. So I'm going to unbox it for you guys real quick. Right on the back here, these stickers say fully charge the unit as soon as you open it, and they say always keep a full charge. Alright, so it's the box there. So here's the back of the jumper box here. It's got your jumper wires, or jumper cables there. And this thing's packaged really well. Let's see. Open this up here. Alright, get that out of the way. Turn it around here. This is a really heavy unit, which is nice because it's completely rubberized around the outside of it. But this is a 1,000 amp jumper. It can inflate up to 120 psi, which I think most car tires are anywhere from 29 to 38 at most. So that's a pretty good inflation. 120 pounds. I don't know of anything that's that as far as a car or truck tire. But it seems to be very solid. Oh, I just turned it on. It's fully charged right now. As you can see here, these are your options. Here for, I'm not sure what that is, but it looks like you can set different modes here. So, oh, you set your air compressor to 30 pounds per square inch, turn it on, it will inflate and stop at 30 pounds per square inch. So that's really handy because I go back and forth when I'm inflating tires in my driveway. If I'm going for 30, I'll go 32, and then I'll let some out, then it's 29, and then I'll fill it back up and it's 31. So having that automatic shutoff is extremely helpful. This is pretty cool because it's got an LED light right up front. So if you are outside trying to figure out what you're going to do to inflate the tire, the light is extremely helpful. It's got USB ports for 6.2 amp. These are good for recharging an iPhone, recharging pretty much any device now comes with a USB port. And then obviously got to run something. I'm sure you can plug it in there, 200 watt outlet. And then everything stores right here in the back. It even has a little needle back here for inflating probably footballs and basketballs and things like that. Charger cord. You got your air compressor thing there. Not a very long cord, but just like anything, if you have a long cord, then you got a huge cord that you got to wrap up and deal with and store. So I guess having a shorter hose is probably a good thing. And then your jumper cables here, which has a nice little handy storage spot there. So overall, for first impressions of this, for $89, this is a great insurance policy if you're taking a road trip. If you just keep it in your car and someone needs to jump at work, this thing would do the job. Right now it's telling me that there are 12.6 volts on the monitor here, and it's alternate current setup right now. So this is a really cool device. I hope it lasts. I know I got a buddy who bought one a year ago, and he absolutely loves it. So I'm hoping I have the same luck with it. But I would say initial just overview of this thing, I think it's worth the $89.99. Again, if you don't like it, it's Costco, man. You can send that back, and they'll give you full refund for it. But this is the CAT 3-in-1 CJ1000DCP jump starter. Okay, so it includes the jump start option, includes the tire pressure, and a recharger option right down here at the bottom. So if you are looking for a nice insurance policy, or you got an older car, this is perfect for those people who are out and about and they don't want to get stranded somewhere. All right, guys. Thanks again. $89.99 at Costco. Have a great day.